What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rishabh from Geekhead and today I'll be showing you guys how to install YouTube Vanced on your Android device. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to install Magisk Manager on your device. I've given the link in the description of the video. Just go there and download the Magisk Manager APK from there. Then just simply install it and launch the app. Now tap on the first install icon that you can see. Then again tap on the install icon on the pop-up menu and finally tap on download zip only option. This will download and place the latest Magisk Manager zip file in the internal storage of your device. Now all you need to do is reboot into TWRP recovery and simply flash the file. And that's it, you'll have Magisk Manager installed on your device. With Magisk Manager installed, you can install not only YouTube Vanced but also a lot of other Magisk modules like Viper for Android, and the video for that will be up next week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that out. So once your phone has rebooted, open Magisk Manager again and tap on the menu icon and then tap on downloads. Here you can find all the Magisk modules that you can install. We are looking for YouTube Vanced, so once you find it, just tap on the arrow and then tap on install. It will install it for you and then it may prompt you to reboot your device. So after reboot, you'll have YouTube Vanced installed on your device. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.